So today's YouTube video is on free-ranging your chickens, why you should and why you shouldn't. So do you think they like free-ranging and dust bathing? Cool. So over here they're in the flower garden dust bathing. There's Cackle over here. And then there's Henrietta eating grass seeds in the flower garden. So that's one benefit of letting your chickens free range, is that they will eat weed seeds and weeds and stuff like that, and help keep your yard a little bit more weed free. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Al from not Maple Hill Farm, that's what I used to say, but I'm Al from Al's Homestead, and if you enjoy homesteading or chickens or gardening or any of that, please subscribe. I post new videos every 3 days, and so thanks for watching, guys. So what's up, guys? Today's video is on free-ranging your chickens. Is it worth it? The benefits of free-ranging them and the benefits of not free-ranging them, and the pros and the cons of each, I guess. So I did a video a while back why I don't free-range my chickens. I know I told you I don't free-range them, but in that video I also told you that I supervise free-range them like once a day, like she is right now. And I do that because supervised free-ranging is gonna be, I can't just let them run for the whole day here in town. You can see some houses behind me probably, but they'd go to the neighbors' yards, and they could get killed by a loose dog. So it's not safe, and they can't just run around in other people's yards. So that's what we're going to talk about today, pros and cons of both. I guess that's the cons of free ranging, especially if you live in town. But if you live in the country, there's going to be even more predators than in town. Hi, Whitey. So both of them are hanging out eating some feed that was spilled earlier on the ground. But anyway, that's some of the cons of free ranging. So if you live in the country, you're gonna have more predator issues. If you live in town, well, you can't just do that because they'll run to other places. And our yard is pretty big for in town, and they still don't stay here. Like, they'll go somewhere else, especially in the wintertime. So the benefits of free ranging if you're in the country time, like I said earlier, they're gonna eat some weed seeds, and they're gonna eat some weeds, and they're gonna be a little bit happier. And you can do this supervised free ranging if you live in town for short periods of time. I like to do it in the evening. That's what time it is right now. It's about 5 or 6 o'clock. I think it's about 5:30. But anyways, supervised free ranging in town is a great thing to do about once a day or whenever you can do it. And then supervised free ranging in the country could also be great because they're going to eat weeds, they're going to eat weed seeds, they're going to eat bugs. And if you're outside, there's less chance of a predator attack, because unless they're super bold, they're not going to come out right in front of you and take a chicken. I mean, I've heard of it happening, I think, but there's going to be a lot less chance of predators taking your chickens as long as they're locked up during the morning and like dusk, locked up by dark. They should be fine. So free ranging in the country, I mean, they could get taken by predators, but your feed bill is also going to get down just a little bit because they're going to eat more bugs and grass and weed seeds, stuff like that. So it's going to knock your feed bill down a little bit, although your predator loss may be a bit higher. And now we got Barred Rock 3 and 4 coming over. So all my Barred Rocks are there now. Henrietta is still over there, I can see her. But anyways, if you live in the country, you could free range, but predator losses most likely are gonna be up a little, so you're gonna lose more birds, and you might lose your favorite chicken, which could be sad. So that's one of the reasons why I don't free range them, is predators here, mostly loose dogs during the daytime. At night there's a lot of other stuff that comes through, but yeah, foxes don't come through in broad daylight around here. The only reason I don't free range them, it's because they will run away. So, yeah, when we're gone, it wouldn't be safe either. A predator could come out in the day and we wouldn't be home to protect them. So anyway, that's why I don't free range. Comment down below, do you free range your chickens or do you keep them in a pen all day? What I do for my chickens, I'll show you right behind me here. If you've been watching other videos, you'll notice that we have this chicken tractor here. I just put that nesting box in. There's videos out on the chicken tractor modification process. I just put these boards on too, like 3 or 4 weeks ago. You can go check out those videos. They're on my channel, some of the more recent ones. Check those out. But anyways, thanks for watching today, guys. I don't know, comment down below, do you free range your chickens or do you keep them locked up, or do you do both? Do you supervise free range? What do you do, and what do you think people should do? Comment down below. I want to know. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Alex Homestead. We post new videos every 3 days, so subscribe for that. Be sure to hit thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all back soon, I hope. See ya.